After setting up the gradebook in Sakai and adding items, grades can be entered as students complete activities. Be aware that the activities can be graded from within other Sakai tools and automatically sent to Gradebook, such as the Assignments tool. To enter grades, locate the desired student row and item column, click the cell, enter the score, and press Enter. Be aware that only 2 decimal places can be entered for fractions of points. When the score is saved, the cell will flash green. A checkmark icon will appear temporarily, and the cell for the next student will be selected automatically. If the cell turns yellow and a plus icon appears, this indicates that the score exceeds the maximum value for the item, and excess points will be treated as extra credit. To enter a brief comment to accompany the score, click the cogwheel at the top right in the cell. Select Add Edit Comment, enter the text into the field, and click Save Comment. This comment will be visible to the student. The Quick Entry button provides an alternative method for entering scores and comments. More information about this feature is in the PLU Knowledge Base. After the scores for the item are entered for all students, class performances can be reviewed a few ways. To sort the students by highest to lowest scores, click the title of the item in its column header. Alternatively, to see the grade distribution as a graph, click the cogwheel at the top right in the item column header and select View Grade Statistics. Statistics will display below the graph, including the average score and the standard deviation. When finished reviewing the information, click Done. A rubric icon will display to the right of an item's name if it was created in the Gradebook tool and is configured to use a rubric. To grade with a rubric, click the cogwheel in the cell and select Grade Rubric. Then, click the desired rating for each criteria. To add a comment, click the speech bubble icon to the right of a criterion. Enter a comment, and click Done. Note the total score at the bottom of the rubric. When ready, click Save Rubric Grading. The total score from the selected ratings in the rubric will update in the cell. To view rubric statistics, click the item cogwheel and select Rubric Preview Statistics. A preview of the rubric then displays. Statistical summaries for rubric scoring are available in the drop-down menu at the top. To view them, select Student Summary or Criteria Summary. When finished, click Done. Items that are sourced from other tools, such as assignments or tests and quizzes, are marked with a tool icon to the left of their name. These items will also have lock icons in their point value cells, which indicates that scores need to be entered from the original tool instead of within Gradebook. More information about grading in other Sakai tools can be found in the PLU Knowledge Base. To enter grades that are recorded outside of Sakai, such as in a spreadsheet, click the Import/Export button. Spreadsheets must be formatted in a specific way, which is explained in the blue box at the bottom of the page. When the spreadsheet is ready, click the Choose File button and follow the importing process. More information about the Gradebook tool can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.